I'll never bang it on. Ready? Yeah, you two hold it up, I'll put both in.
Yeah, which side of the
Yeah, so it goes.
hinges go underneath?
The hinges go underneath, yeah. I think it needs a bit more.
Now then, just down at the unit today, working on Pete's third gen, odd jobs that we need to crack on with. So right now we're looking at fitting the boot lid brackets and fixings. So we've got these brackets that we're going to fit onto here. Keep the boot lid shut.
So like basically, as long as it's at the other side of that gap,
Yeah.
it'll have tension on it to get it on.
Whoa, Matt, can bend that a bit.
Oh yeah.
Solid.
So is a rock, man.
Now just copy and paste on the other side.
In this.
So since the last time we saw the third gen, I don't even know when the last time
That was hard, I think.
was it? Oh, it's been painted red, as you can see.
Yeah, no, it was painted red, it didn't have the doors on or all that.
Doors have been done, front bumper's been done. Still got the nose cone and the bonnet to do, but we're not doing that until the engine's sat in, because might need some trimmage. There's no point doing that at this stage. Got some wheels fitted. What are these rear wheels called?
Hinky RO2.
Hinky RO2s.
Creative design or design creation, something like
Rare
that. Yeah,
and period correct.
probably a bit later to be honest, but they suit it, don't they?
Yeah.
I think fast though, so it's real good on
Yeah.
Virgin.
So the plan is to not run a rear bumper, because there's going to be a huge diffuser instead.
Yeah.
Say huge.
I don't like the way the UK bumpers look.
Yeah. UK bumpers.
And stuff like that.
Yeah, the plate recess. It's not a particularly good look, so.
My bumper's all misshapen.
Oh, is it like warped?
Shape at the bottom and I cut it a little bit to tidy it up, but it's not ideal.
Yeah. So there'll be a diffuser at the front, splitter, diffuser at the back, splitter at the front, will there?
Yeah, possibly some side skirts like we run on the EG and possibly a flat floor eventually,
Yeah.
but not at first.
Yeah.
Yeah, then we're gonna. They'll probably have to run a little. The splitter will probably be a bit lower than the slip, so I'll probably have to run something in between, that either an air dam or just a rubber seal, you know,
Yeah.
something to seal it to it. But we'll cross that bridge when we come to it.
Very good. There's another K20 here and this is for the Accord, is it?
Yeah, so we're going to put the cord back together to like a lesser spec. So we're going to put K20 in it this time. Euro R spec.
Oh yeah. New gearbox as well, that's for the EG.
That's for the EG. It's got a problem, that box, so we just want it for the casing really, and probably first, second and third gears.
Yeah.
But I think the synchros are gone in second and third, so it depends on what condition the gears are in. But yeah, we're gonna slowly. I'm gonna put this back to. I'm just gathering bits, you know, as they come up.
Yeah.
put it on a K20. I've got a cord gearbox in there,
Oh yeah.
and I'll put EP3 gears in it again. I'll get Josh to put EP3 gears in it again, and I might put 5.1 in it as well, if I can get older one cheap enough. Yeah, and it's just a case of piecing the suspension stuff back together because it's all back on stock
Yeah.
suspension at the minute. Pick up some wheels for it. I've got some wheels in mind for it, but it's just money.
I know, yeah, that's it, innit? And what have we bought this week? That M Factory, was that a 6th gear for the EG?
Yeah, so that was
To replace the one that got shagged.
So we ran an OEM 5th gear in 6th gears position. But to do that, you have to run like a bush,
Oh yeah.
and the bush failed. So to get around that, we bought a designated 6th gear, which is virtually the same ratio as that Accord 5th we used to run.
Right.
And it's also a lot bigger. You see the size of the teeth compared to a normal Honda gear.
Yeah.
So it's a lot beefier.
Yeah. A lot more grip.
Yeah, a lot more. They'll just thicker out, so they're stronger.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the solution. So we don't have to run that bush, so there's no danger of it failing again.
Nice.
There's some more bits in here for
The Accord.
3rd gen.
Oh yeah.
So pistons, I think we spoke about them.
Yeah.
I think you forgot to mention it.
Yeah, I bought drop-in cams,
Skunk 2.
Skunk 2 drop-in cams for it. So should pick up a bit more powers.
Nice.
That's the head we're going to use. It's a stock K24 head, but from what we understand, valve springs can cope with the drop-in cams, so we should be alright.
Right.
That's a super low mileage head. I think it's only done about 30,000.
Yeah, it looks clean.
Yeah, compared to these others.
Yeah.
So yeah, that'll be done, put together after Josh has finished on the EG.
Yeah. Nice. So Pete's having a painting session. The wheels for the Civic for next season. It's a Honda colour, pewter grey. Right, Pete's going to start prepping these wheels for paint to match the ones that we've done on the rear of the Civic. In this, what is it, pewter grey?
Yeah.
Honda colour. I think they look amazing. So they'll be all matchy match.
Yeah. Fucking what when they're covered in brake dust.
Exactly, yeah. Haha, stray bit.
Really good.